So hello everyone, thank you for joining this video. In today's video we are gonna discuss about a very important topic, and which is not all about English learning or any tip, any trick, any method, nothing like that. Actually we are going to discuss about that what is the percentage of the people in India who speak English, and what is the percentage of the people who do not speak English in India. Okay, so we are going to discuss about these kind of things, and let's see how many people are able to speak in India and how many people are fluent in India while speaking English language. How many people are able to speak and how many people are not able to speak English in India. Okay, so if I talk about that the people who are not able to speak English in India, so you know what, approximately 80 to 90% of the population in India cannot speak English. 80 to 90% of the population in India cannot speak English, and if I talk about that, if I categorize it, if I divide it into two parts, like what is the percentage of the people in urban India and what is the percentage of the people in rural India. So my friend, if I talk about rural India, so in rural India, in rural areas, 90 to 97% of the people cannot speak English. 90 to 97% of the population in India, 90 to 97% of the people in rural India cannot speak English. It is a very huge number, it's a very big number. Okay, and if I talk about urban areas, so in urban areas, 88% of the people speak English in urban areas. Okay, and you know what, why am I talking about these kind of things? Because I think a lot that if this language is very important, I am seeing that everywhere this language is being used. Okay, wherever we are going, whatever we are choosing, whatever we are eating, whatever we are buying, whatever we are selling, everywhere I see, everywhere English is being used. As we all are aware about that it is being used, but yet there are so many people who are not able to speak English, who don't speak English, and even they don't try to speak English, they don't try to learn this language. Why? Because they think that it is too hard and we are uneducated, so we cannot speak this language, we cannot learn this language. So the point is, I just want to make people aware. I know that I'm not that kind of person, but my thought is very big. I am not that kind of person, but my thought is, my thought is very big. So that is why I am just thinking about the people, that the people who are not able to speak this language, for those this world is going to be like little bit hard, because if any work they have, so most of the works we have to do, and we use only this language. I mean, most of the cases we use this language everywhere. Whatever we make, whatever we do, wherever we go, we see only this language, because this language is understandable for everyone in India. Like in whole country they have different types of languages. 22 languages are being spoken in India, right? And hundreds of dialects. Every culture has, like every Every religion has their own culture. There are so many people, there are so many regions. Every region has their own language, their own culture. Okay, they have different types of dialects, and they speak in a different way. If you go in North India, they speak like Punjabi and Hindi and Kashmiri and Sindhi. There are many other languages, right? If you go in South India, they speak Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam. There are many other languages, right? So my friend, this language is one of the most language which is being used in the world, right? In a whole world. So that is why it is being required. It is being used in a whole country, in a whole world, right? So it is, I would say that it is necessary for all the people in India who are living in India, right? For all the people. But I know that there are so many people who are uneducated, who think that how we can understand and how we can speak this language. Even the people who are learning this language, they are taking so much time. They are taking so much time just to become a fluent speaker, just to learn this language, right? So how can we speak this language? So my motive is to make this video. My motive is to make people aware. My motive is to make people educated. Like, if they are uneducated, so how can we make this language a little bit like very easy, easier to understand. Like, we can make it easy to understand for the people. But the question arises how to make it easy, because so many people who are learning this language, for so many people it is too hard. It is too hard to become a fluent speaker, to speak English language. So it's a big problem for the people, right? So yeah, if I talk about the percentage, like if I talk about non-speaker, like non-English speakers who don't speak English in India. So my friend, as I told you that 1.1 to 1.2 billion people, means 82% to 90% people of the country, of the population in India, do not speak English. And if I talk about English speakers, what is the percentage of the people who speak English language in this country, in India? So only 10% to 18%. 10% to 18% of the people in India speak English language, okay, as a first or second and third language, right? They speak. And one more thing I want to share with you. So many people may be thinking that what is the percentage of the people who speak English fluently, like very fluently? So let me tell you. Actually, over 95% of the country, over 95% of the country do not speak English, cannot speak English fluently, in this country, in India. It is the reality, my friend. 95%, over 95% of the country do not speak English fluently, and I would say cannot speak English fluently. But no, I cannot say that cannot speak, because they can speak, but they don't speak. They don't try to speak, right? So my friend, the topic, these points are very understandable. These points are very learnable. These points are thinkable, that why our country is not going, like why this country is not growing, I would say. I know so many people are doing great. I know I'm not so much aware about so many things. The thing I just want to say, I just want to see the people, like in my village. I'm seeing my village, okay, in my village, and the village are like around my villages, I see like in many villages they don't have that kind of passion to become something. They don't have that kind of ambition to do something, to get education. You know what is the mindset of the people in our villages, in many village areas? They say that what will happen, we will get education, we have to spend a lot of time, we have to waste our money also, and all the things like we have to spend, but in the end what we get, we don't get job. And we have to, what we have to do, we have to do any type of skill, we have to learn the skill, and then simply what I mean, how we can live our life. Why should we get education if we are not getting job? So what is the meaning of getting education? What is the meaning of getting education? What is the meaning to become like engineer, doctor? And if we are not able to spend so much money and we are not getting that kind of job, so my friend, people say that they don't try to, then they don't try to get education, they don't try to learn something. Because so many people who are not getting job after learning something, after passing some of the like degrees, after getting some of the degrees, they are not getting job. So it is affecting a lot on the people, on those children who are doing something, like who are watching them, who are seeing them, what is going on there. And they don't have that kind of mentality, they don't have that kind of mindset that yes, we also should study, we also should get education so that we can do something. They are saying that what is the benefit to get education? So many villages, in so many villages I am seeing this kind of things. In my village, I would say, I think that I am only person who speaks English language here. No one speaks, even I speak, so they call me Angrez. they make me fun, because I don't want to live this kind of in like this type of life. I want to live, I am living a very good life. I'm not saying that I am not grateful, I'm not thankful, I'm not living good. I'm living good, but the mindset is very wrong of the people. The mindset is totally wrong of the people in these regions, and this is why, that is why I am saying that the people who are here, they don't know the value of education, they don't know the value of English. Okay, they are like so many people, I'm not talking about all the people, there are so many people, most of the people are here who are afraid to make people educated, who are afraid about that if I teach my children, if I give him education or her education, so what if he or she doesn't get job? Then what will happen after some time? What will he do or what will she do, right? So these kind of things are, these kind of problems, these kind of questions are running through their mind, and that is why they are not making their child, they are not making their children educated, they are not getting them education, they are not making them educated. So it is the problem, it is not the problem of the people, it is the problem of the country, it is the problem of the government, isn't it? So my friend, I was talking about the percentage of the people, and now I am talking about that what is going on here in these villages. But my friend, just I want to say one thing. I mean, people should be aware about so many things. I know that I am not so much aware about so many things, but whatever I know, I am just sharing with you. Okay, and I think so it is right, and nothing is wrong, because we should talk about these kind of things so that people can understand. And so many people are aware about what is going on in India, what is going on in this country. Many people are aware about it, right? So my friend, these kind of things I just wanted to share with you. So my friend, if I made any mistakes while speaking English and while talking about those types of ratios, so sorry for that. And I am just learning, I'm improving my English also. But whatever I wanted to share with you, this is the thing I wanted to tell you, I wanted to just to talk about you. So that is why I shared. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.